Do you want to hide tags on Instagram? You can hide mentions on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide tags on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your profile screen. Tap the three horizontal line menu at the top right corner of the screen. Now, a new screen will open. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact With You section and tap on Tags and Mentions. Again, a new screen will appear. Here you will see different options for tags. To hide tagged posts automatically, enable the toggle switch next to Manually Approve Tags. Now, any photo or video someone tags you in will not appear on your profile unless you approve it. Once done, tagged posts will be hidden from your profile as per your settings.